The next topic I covered was Roman engineering. The Romans are well known for their outstanding engineering accomplishments. Some of these feats include the amphitheater, the roads, arches, concrete, and aqueducts. The amphitheaters were created because sound travels better in this form of environment, and they were used for plays, performances, and public speeches. The roads were created to move armies, trade goods, and enable post office communication. The arch was created for the use of a strong and efficient method of bridge building. Concrete was useful because it was waterproof, and it allowed to develop support columns in water. Lastly, aqueducts served as a plumbing system, transported water from rivers and lakes to Rome, and provided fresh water to bathe in or drink. All of these engineering accomplishments made daily life in Rome easier and more effective.